This is a copper wire recycling system, turning waste cables into valuable copper resources. The process starts with a shredding machine, where copper wires are crushed into small and uniform pieces. After shredding, the material size becomes much smaller and ready for the separation process. Next comes the air gravity separation system, also called airflow sorting machine. Based on the density difference between copper and plastic, the airflow separates light plastic and heavy copper efficiently. Plastic is blown to one outlet, while copper falls down and is collected from another outlet, achieving clear material separation. After separation, the copper enters the vibrating screen system. Here, the copper is further classified into different particle sizes, improving the precision and value of the recycled material. At the same time, the separated plastic also goes through the vibrating screen, where it is sorted into different size grades. Finally, the output includes clean copper granules and well-classified plastic materials. The whole system ensures high efficiency, high purity, and continuous stable operation, making it ideal for industrial-scale recycling plants. Copper recycling made simple, efficient, and profitable recycling gear.